But when this song just come out that time, it's lonely at the top. Canada at the top. They are lonely.
Now where they jackpot go dey lonely.
You understand?
Because everybody they mind the business
Yes,
there.
so-
Even UK too. I think UK still dey lonely
UK,
when it comes to.
see they lonely, but
Yeah,
I
but
think
if you come
Canada is
across
worse.
yourself on street,
Yes,
but
because-
to they go out, no time for that.
Because UK don't almost start to Lagos.
Then people they lonely then because they want they lonely.
No. When it's when social interaction for those countries, they different from Nigeria.
If
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
know how to make friends and how to interact, there's no way you could say they stay that place where they say now
Hold
your
on,
house say that
hold
place.
on. Godwin, maybe you never understand where they come from. Person where they run 3 shifts, they want see time.
Even
Till they
the
go out.
3 shifts where they work, then there's human being there.
Now they talk. That is
What kind of relationship you get with those people?
no. I understand where they come from, but you see these limitations, now basically from this country. Because first of all, you know, say right now, Godwin, I feel come up for us. As I don't near Maryland, you call Godwin. Godwin, I dey your area.
Yeah.
You say stop by now. That's not far from
Yeah.
you. You want to try for there?
No.
You dare not.
But
you
then-
understand?
but all this
So
way
those
they-
are limitations
all
we are
this way-
talking
all this
about.
way they complain about loneliness. That because they know they use their sense.
About what they-
No matter
you
you
know
why.
that's
No,
no,
make-
different
make I-
from
no,
there
make I-
Godwin.
No, I get friends with they there now. They cry when they lonely.
Because those one are family people now.
No, I get
Abi?
people where be single,
They be
where they
single.
there, where they my guy they even run from guests.
Which guy
Because
type of
because
guest?
we're in the work.
Yeah.
Listen, now we're in the work. If
Yeah.
they do 2 shifts now, they work up about 15 hours a day. Everybody, if he call me when he day for work, almost everybody around. Is that your friend Godwin from Nigeria? Everybody around that they follow me talk. You don't make friends with everybody, so you know where each person they stay. If you know saying go they lonely for house,
You they
don't
talking
work.
about working
That one na
in
work
work in
na.
office place.
You know they understand
office
that they,
space.
you know they understand that they talk. Those people they cry for when they say them they lonely. Not before work they tell you.
No, be say they don't get
They
interaction with
tell
their
you say
colleagues.
they tell you say
So.
they lonely. They go they house say nobody. I don't see anybody. Only
Now
me,
we
they
they
want
talks. Okay, God.
Now they tell you
as
so.
we dey here right now, you know say there is an interaction I will do. So after here I go play.
Yeah.
But bro, after I come on here, I get my own life. I mean, you don't reach my house before. You don't reach my house before.
No, I
Pose
never
don't
reach
reach
your
my
house
house before.
before. No.
I don't reach your house before.
No.
I don't reach your house before.
No.
I don't reach. No.
R&B, okay,
So see, friendship for work they end the moment you step out of your
Yeah,
office.
now they
Nah,
say
because
that's not
there's
friends.
a difference
That's
between
colleague.
acquaintance, friends,
That's colleague.
colleague
Una
way.
dey meet- you don't be classify those people as somebody wey go make
miss
you
the
dey
point.
alright.
Una dey miss the point.
The when you dey house now.
The reason why the friendship for office they end there before you go house now because you want make all of them end like that. For instance, no, we use ourselves as example
Yeah.
here now. If I don't say my house, they always dey too lonely.
Yeah.
If I finish R&B, where you dey? At the house.
I did second shift.
And they come. Okay, you dey second shift. When you go even when you dey your second shift.
Yeah.
When you dey go off, when you dey go break, so time. I go chill. I go come when you dey go your break. More we'll go sit down gist small. You understand?
Okay.
Becca, when you dey go your whatever. You go see and to make friends with people and to get out the download, you go need to make effort. Friendship
So you
na
dey try
effort.
to say that this individual when they cry that they already make friends.
Then no,
there are other
they
limitations
know they
to
make
that.
efforts, no matter the limitations. R&B. What are they trying to make you understand? Me say
Yeah.
you go make effort to be friendly to people.
Okay.
You don't say you dey go environment where people they mind their business well.
Yeah.
All right. So when you did that environment, you go consciously make friends. Now, why you dey work? Don't be like say you dey work for Aja, you dey stay for Ekpaja for that area. You dey work within the environment where you dey.
No,
That's
most
why you
time
dey-
they travel far.
no, even if it's easier, and then even within your environment, there are times where you go come out, you go observe your environment. One or two, you go say hello to people. You go buy 1 or 2 things. Hi, I'm new here. Want it. As long as you know, say you come there genuine, no person will go report it to police. We talk about those who don't jack, but we get genuine paper. You go and say hello to 1 or 2 people. Don't how you go say hello to 10 people in 1 month. When you know see 1 or 2 close friends there. We go come agree to be your friends, play with you. What efforts did they make? Which effort did they make to try to create relationships?
No, I don't agree with you. I not solely blame my own. That
Then
environment
see,
different
from my own
Nigeria,
side, I just check. If you check the social interaction with the Nigeria,
dey-
or now you say you come out, you argue with Okada rider. At least your head go straight. Or you see somebody where they shout, "Hey, warakara, ogi, baba." You hear people. You understand? Even if you
God,
come out,
everybody dey mind their business for that place.
person match you for leg. You say, you dey crazy.
Una people become friends from there, sef.
You understand? It's easier. I think it's easier to do in social interaction for inside
yeah,
Nigeria.
yeah.
No,
Than
the
Than
thing
them.
people you see a lot of the things what would they take for granted here. People don't know say those things that skills where you need to learn if you want to live for another man land. We they take them for granted here because everybody.
But most times those things not they acceptable.
Everybody now me bought for it. No, we don't acceptable for where.
You know they acceptable. So somebody feel.
I know they acceptable to be friends.
If I don't get house for Lagos now, if he come your house, Godwin, you go let me stay for like 6 months. People sometimes 1 year depending on my condition. But you dare not try that here.
Those people get house. Nobody say they look for where they want to stay. And they tell you say some of the things what would they take for granted here.
Yeah.
You know, listen, what would they take for granted here?
Yeah.
We don't realize say it takes skills to develop those things. The fact say you go come see woman they sell shop for your shop for your road. Boys sit down for outside the shop, they drink, they talk. All of them go greet you, welcome. When I go gist, we they take them for granted. Say everybody's now our friend. Neighbor go see you. Hi, the neighbor. Everybody they poke, no, so everybody matter. If you they go an environment where people know they live like that, you need to know say you go develop the skills to be friendly to people before people go friendly to you back. People they looking from a distance, they don't know who you be. You go need to make effort. Now they say by the time you don't spend 1 or 2 months, all this way they chat lonely.
Those efforts they not see send you.
No, people there go send you.
They are brother Jan now. They go tell you how it be.
I don't know I don't know one single person. I don't know one single person who don't go abroad where they tell me say they lonely. Because my guys, some of them they know how to be friendly to people. Those that they chat is lonely. Who you try to be friends with?
But funny enough, I remember that time where I travel. When we go for the this carnival where they do for Notting Hill. Notting Carnival. So the people where I follow, one of those guys, the guy they very friendly to the point say, they look and say, which kind guy be this? So there were some 2 old women who sit down beside us, and this guy sit down beside me. So he can't say make I stand up. Say one go sit down close to those 2 old women. Now so this guy start conversation with these old women. He can't tell them say, oh my God, you guys look so beautiful. If you see the way when we say these old women, their face lighting up.
Don't tell when they tell them say you look beautiful.
Their husband is there. They inside that same train. Their husband is inside that same train. I never finish. This same guy, they call it shy. So he can't talk. Say, I'm very sure that your husbands are the happiest men on earth. So one of them can say, that's the old man there.
He's not happy.
He said, that's the old man there. He doesn't compliment me.
You see,
he doesn't compliment me.
Because no might not be that way.
This guy gonna be the guy.
Can't go the question. Nigerian guy. They never arrest him.
But they loved it.
They never arrest him.
They collected the guy's number.
R&B. Human beings worldwide now. Human beings. It get principles where they work everywhere. And one of the principles now, if you know how to make friends, you know how to make people happy. Not be everybody go accept.
So okay,
but if you apply those principles of trying to be friendly with people, so know how you go find 1 or 2 people around you where go one day.
If I want to agree with you, maybe now here I go for just conclude. It is easier for us social interaction dey easier for this part of the world than the other part of the world. So it takes a little or more effort to make friends in that place compared to this place.
Not be say because it's easier for would they take am for granted because it comes naturally.
Now they talk so now because of
you need to develop the skills to do one. For instance, Nigeria, how many people they do 2 work? 99% of them that one work they do. People who visit they do 2 work and people like us I do show. After dinner you go do your show again. You they do show, you the MC, not be your official work. But I become MC wedding for weekend though. Becca come host one day. You understand what our other things and then we get businesses. But not be say you get another company where you say you don't work here finish. You
don't go work another shift again.
Not be our lifestyle here. So we get enough time to interact
to
and
make friends. But those people not be like that. That be the limitation when they happen to their social interaction.
Going to that environment now. For instance, the same way you change your mindset, say to me to make and I no go feel the only one work. But Nigeria here, your mindset now won't work. But when you reach there, you change your mindset to 2 or 3 jobs. The same way you will change your mindset to as they come do 2 or 3 jobs to feel adjust. I need to also develop the skills to feel interact with people
like
to
get friends.
Well, easy. Even ordinary 2 weeks where I use, I lonely at the point. I
know easy because
wait, it not easy tell you that if you come up for here right now as I dey go house. I remember say my friend they stay Chevron. I remember say my friend they stay Jacques. I remember say they Osaka. Alpha. Okay, like yesterday when I dey go house.
Make I ask you one question.
Yesterday I dey go house. I remember say one of my guy when he come Lagos movie business boutique he don't invite me since. Guess what? I call her, hey Alpha, I want come your house. So he say okay, I did house. Guess what? You can't do that. And I reach here, I play with her.
How long
but you know if you do that?
How long you don't live for Lagos?
I think like 4 months now.
How long you don't live for Lagos?
You don't go 6 years now.
So all this relationship we they call, it take you down 1 month to establish the relationship.
No, now they tell you, it says here it easy.
See, before you go say you alone, you don't spend 3 months, 6 months try to make friends. You don't see. Now they tell you so. Stop saying it's lonely.
So also not forget this loneliness too.
See the relationship where you feel just call anyhow, and they come whatever. You don't build them over the years. Even though you know they call them all the time, you don't get the contact.
God, we not guy you want to explain this thing. For that side they hard.
More than they make excuse because the same people where they
because you want to put the blame on this individual saying that they know they put an effort to make friends for Canada. You don't stay for Canada before. Everybody mind their business.
Make I even ask you one question, sir. Which one hard pass to make friend or to look for job?
For a year.
For there. Which one make
for there?
Yes.
It dey easier to look for job.
What did they talk?
But that I say it dey easier to look for job online. As far as say you know they enter.
As long as your papers
paper complete.
Yeah,
jobs are bro.
R&B. No be just
people when they get job for Nigeria before they even move go there.
Please, that they tell you so. Those we don't go there. When they say not be just say job. Now any kind of work you go do for you go if you.
May I make an example? Somebody follow. If they have this award last year, we don't do 1 year anniversary now. Go there. As he just
which kind of work in the
hold on now. He base.
Which kind of work he did?
He work for. Let's see, he they work for. He be writer now for one of their publisher. Okay, no man, not mention the company.
So you they talk about. So you they talk about person
after he finish that 4 hours, he go.
You they talk about person where So you when you go that side, you get energy to feel look for 2-3 jobs, but you don't get energy to ask one person to be your friend.
It's not the same process of making friends now.
It is easier now. What do they talk?
It's not easier to make friends. So.
What did they
for
talk
that part?
I say you don't know how to make friends. Not say you know they easier.
You know how to make friends. They make plenty friends.
But can I be R&B?
If I reach there,
why you talk for
there's a possibility. See, God, the environment different when it comes to all this Canada, UK, and the
make
rest.
Excuse. How many people
why
don't
you say most time Christmas, all of them rock come and want to enjoy themselves?
What did they talk?
Before you go even attend wedding, I feel they go now crash any wedding. They will give me food chop. How many
people they come Nigeria for Christmas and why they go there? What will be the difference? What will be the percentage? Who they travel go pass? No, right from time. How many people you know when they travel go come back? What did they talk?
For Bini,
talk about your
all of them they wear singlet.
No, talk about your own family and your place where you know. You understand? Then they make flimsy excuses for. You know what I say? That flimsy excuses.
No.
Listen now, you go in another man country where you don't know. You put energy, get 2-3 jobs they do. But you know if you make one friend for your street,
it's not the same process of getting job.
Because these people,
they
the moment they don't go work, they don't go. Now,
when they come back, they don't tire.
Now stereotype what they want to head down at the time. Who tells you they don't tire? All of them they do 3 jobs like you. They be citizens now.
They know they barely come out. They don't stay for their house.
You use that your friend when don't spend 30 years
there.
Till they talk about till they compare when they enter 2 years.
If I don't get family members spread between UK, Canada, and America, I get at least 30.
Ask them about their social life.
Let's say I get about at least 30 people. And
I get friends follow the talk.
And I go tell you
when they tell you about their real life
almost all of them, and they tell me it's easier to make friends if you want make. Now they tell you so. Don't they follow?
How many of them married there?
Okay,
because you don't.
How many of them married there?
Wait, first you don't.
Hold on. How many of them married there?
Almost all of them now. All them VJ, all those guys, they don't get children. Say, what would they talk?
They married. They find love. They find woman. They marry.
99% of them get paper through marriage.
Now that one a business. That is not friends.
What do you they talk?
That one a business.
See, you don't they can't go another angle again. They talk.
So what do they talk?
See, R&B, you just they look for excuse to justify why people. Okay. Somebody go for Instagram, make one video. I'm lonely. May go sit down for one corner. You don't ask somebody to be your friend and reject you. Yeah, I'm lonely. You don't go mall. You don't go cinema. You don't go where you go meet.
So
people.
you go be.
What did they talk? For this Nigeria here, we get girls who go also to say nobody they toast me. Where you they go? You go close from work, go out, or Sunday go church, come back, stay your house. Nobody goes anywhere.
If they look at for the point of maybe online friendship, pen pal, and the rest of them, they feel make friends online.
Becca, stop making.
Why you think say online dating now big deal for that side? Because to do face-to-face interaction sometimes hard.
Stop making excuses.
But online is easier. You guys will meet up.
You don't see anybody who don't tell you saying go mall or you won't go watch movie or whatever. Say and then you try to talk to people, then show them. You don't see anybody do that video.
For
show you.
For Nigeria, for that
any
side.
of those places,
bro, they will show you there because they don't know you.
Well, you know they make excuse for them. You don't see anybody who tell you.
See, I don't know. I never travel go all this country, but this story
why they tell you about
just why they hear from my
tell you about
you
people who
can't
know.
walk to people sometimes be say, oh, how you doing? The first thing they say you got they don't look you from up, come down.
Yeah.
What did they talk?
Not be Nigeria here.
Osi, come radio. Tell you they travel.
We dey lie.
I beg.
You want to make friends for more?
easier to
They
make
go see you as
friends?
thief. They see you as a robber.
They don't invite the frequent traveler.
Is it
The way they
easier?
travel
That's a
Is
make
it
excuse.
But
easier to
seriously,
make
you know
friends?
easy.
No. Like what Godwin is we say right now is you need even in Nigeria. It's not easy to make friends here.
Yeah.
You need to put effort.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yes.
So my own thing is that if you are working, if you are wherever you day for their school or anything, if you want to make friends, you should. A lot of Nigerians try to make friends within themselves, and there are people who are maybe in the same school and live in different areas. So if you date there and you know say I won't make friends or anything, it not be by force for you to make friends with people when they're the same age
Oh,
with you.
you-
You can make friends with your neighbor.
You
But
understand?
you
You
know,
make them with
You don't make any friend. You did there, they cry for Instagram.
Yes, sir.
Mama,
But
I'm
is it-
lonely,
but
I'm
is it
lonely.
easy?
They don't
It's
make
easy.
It's easy. Now,
They're even more conversational and approachable than we in Nigeria.
Nigeria, everybody here is suspect. If somebody won't be your friend for a year, you go down the suspect her. For Nigeria, yeah, if somebody, Becca, if you stand for road, one man just drive on you. What you go find the look? How many them be inside the car? He won't kidnap you. Nobody go call your mind.
tinted motor. I say, ha, that day.
I'll give you an example. Yesterday,
God,
also,
I
they
don't
listen.
know.
Yesterday,
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you an example.
Yeah.
Yesterday, say one of my auntie way the last time she come to America when she come Nigeria, I see the university.
Yeah.
I don't finish 2002. That's the way she come. Now like the year 2000.
Yeah.
Now yesterday,
now.
yesterday she did Nigeria. She just show for Nigeria. She and one of my other uncle we never come Nigeria since 2004. So they just
the
come.
jackpot.
That's it. They just say they did my parents' house. Then go click. But my papa they say, "Oh, na person that just come from America, come surprise person like
Person
that."
like that,
What
yeah.
thing carry una
Una
come?
come.
Now another conversation for another day.
Another day.
That woman now, they still hotel.
You know, guys.
All of us get house. You
Not
get
to
the ones
come stay
where
with any of una.
he said no one stay with anybody.
Yeah, they
not trust
suspect.
anybody.
They do not trust.
Now Nigerians be that. This one, that person not say America over 35, moving 40 years.
No, you not go blame her.
But
because
you know what
say-
inconvenience
you know
una.
what-
No,
So
not be
apart-
convenience.
No, I know. Apart
Man,
from
tell you,
that,
Becca, not be inconvenience.
For
we
safety
know why.
reason on top their
We
side,
know why.
yes.
Now, so Nigerians be, but for there, they don't be like that. We don't suspect anybody. You never see somebody, if you see somebody, they correct small pikin follow, but what thing they follow that boy talk on that girl? They don't suspect you. That you know say as a guy, as an adult, R&B, if they clock to one small boy, either if they correct, I want send a message.
Yeah.
Nobody. Today they can suspect you whether you want
Yes,
if
nah.
you gay.
Yeah,
That's what we be for this part of the world.
Kind.
So that is why those people they're more friendly are there. That's why I say if you develop the skills to become friendly with people before you try them for 3 months, you go
But
get one
funny
or two
enough,
But I
friends.
know
those
if you
Oyinbo
blame
people
this
too are actually
individual.
friendly. Because I remember one of those days, because I just walk out for road. One of them just come meet me. I
Your-
carry afro.
your hair,
And the man was
yeah.
like, oh my goodness, is that your hair? I said, no, that's not. He said, it's so lovely. What's your name? I'm like, okay. That's not they talk for you.
Nah,
Nah, friendly.
Becca they walk out for London. You see house where apple don't fall for the guy.
I go there.
He pick out the apple. Put for back, carry go. Try for Nigeria, they'll chat only for your head. He picked the
No,
apple.
you're not serious like that, God.
R&B wait, he come.
You're not
You're not
serious
serious,
like
or
that.
where?
You're
Go
not
block, go pick person mango for
Except say
Nigeria.
the tie red cloth for the mango.
No. He pick out. Waka go dey show me video say, "See apple, oh, big apple."
Big
oh."
apple.
Wait, I say he
This
pick
is
this
the
apple and nobody. He
for
said,
road.
he
And
said
nobody
the
shout
thing
thief.
No, it was nothing like that. It was crazy.
So my own is everything in life that skills. If you want them,
But I don't go blame individual for that
I
kind
don't
of
feel.
arrangement.
And they find it difficult to understand how somebody go put on effort, get visa, travel, get 2 or 3 jobs, do all those things. He needs to make friends. I'm lonely. Stop it.
But you know easy, Godwin. I know.
Even if it's
know
not easy, it's possible. R&B, it's possible. People they dey here, they make friends with people they there. You can't there physically, no go feel like
Online
friends.
now. Sometimes people to make friends.
It
face
doesn't
to
like
face,
all
they have
difficult part because
sometimes.
they don't know whether you
difficult.
be who you be.
Yeah.
They don't know whether you dey front with somebody else's picture. They don't know whether they like say you be waiting. Physically they see you online. Even now they suspect us more online said physically because they know see Nigerians we sabi 419 all those things. It's even more
We
difficult
not sabi
for
for one
somebody.
and the way they don't pet us. Go
We
do
sabi-
stuff.
No, please.
We go do stuff.
No, we sabi internet fraud.
Say, talk about say that's what you to be proud of.
Na talent, yes.
We style
No be
like
talent,
No,
It's a bad thing.
no,
Now,
listen.
now we just
No,
over
listen,
advertise
now,
ourselves.
no, listen.
People when they release
No,
a big fraud. You know,
Arabi, you don't
India, Pakistan.
It takes
swear.
we dey
wisdom.
learn where those people dey.
Listen,
Pakistan, India.
It takes wisdom to be an internet fraudster.
All this that dating, not dating fraudster.
What I
we
dey
dey.
tell you be say we get enough wisdom to know how the internet works, but we dey use them the wrong way. You understand? But that talent, Just the way you go do anywhere where you go, you go
Somebody
see
from
the
Finland,
best
they send
doctors
voice note come.
the best doctors in the world now Nigerians, the best doctors, you understand? We get all this talent, but they use it the wrong way, now you go talk. You understand? So we'll not go live on the fact say Nigerians they use internet, they defraud people. But they get the sense to even do it in the first place now.
Okay, yeah, thank you so much for the arguments, Judge. Next, they say you get one prison for UK where they say that they spend nearly £10,000 to teach inmates how to stamp their feet and click their fingers. You know that song where
That dance.
Pharrell, where they you know.
Yes.
Now Farrell be
Not Pharrell,
because
no.
I'm happy.
Because I'm happy.
Pharrell, happy, yeah, Pharrell Williams. So they say prisoners for the HMP Dartmoor for Devon say that they teach them how to use their body to manage anger.
They are within their body.
Their body to manage their anger. So they tag this program body percussion program. So when you, anger don't they enter you?
They dance.
Yeah, that program. Tap your feet and click your fingers.
So the government is spending money.
So the inmates take part in the class to songs such as "Happy" by Pharrell Williams and "Can't Stop the Feeling" by Justin Timberlake. So the Ministry of Justice talk say the deal for waiting the tag as cognitive-based therapy workshop say they cost each prisoner £9,600.
What until they teach them?
Yes. So the prison service don't they tell this one say the scheme such as this one they help to also reduce crime. How far Nigeria, if they teach them
People when they never fit
teach them-
give balance diet chop finish. May they spend this kind of money to teach and dance. Are you okay? Don't they see the water bills when they
You
chop?
never see video where they share food for Nigeria.
Water bills or logo. Like 3 seed of beans go there inside the water.
Yeah, plus water. Yeah, they will come. They put.
But they say the thing they help them. Say he help them. Especially for those who get anger. It help
So
them.
you
to
want
teach.
more do something like this
Which
one?
kind
Are
of-
they hands? It can
if
something
they
like that
want-
work.
if they want
But
see
it not
this,
gonna be. It not gonna be Pharrell Williams. Maybe which dance they rain now. Maybe they will teach our.
Zazu.
If you got the ask Nigerian prisoners, say me they can't dance to contain anger, they look you like what they worry. Don't even those prisoners they that
So
London
we-
prison. Just call all of them now. Say we want to teach you people how to handle anger with, but this thing cost about £10,000. But I will give you the money when I know the vex. You go see anger go reduce. People go collect the money. Anger no dey that prison again. You know the £10,000.
But also we need to also know
Come
say
say they use and they dance.
something work for another country, not me say go
Exactly.
work for.
They say if they even trying for Nigeria, that some of these prison officers now then go use them as way of laloboying, to
They go collect her.
Yes.
They collect their own discount. Wait, so somebody Sunday, our listener sent something in reaction to our earlier discussion. He now from Finland. So
Okay.
more just say what he talk.
Good morning, RMD. I'm just on break now. I just want to school until Brother Godwin with what he's saying. He has a good idea about the whole thing, what he's talking about, but it's not like what he's thinking at all. It's very, very difficult to make friends. It's very, very difficult. And I'm a professional footballer, once a professional footballer, so it's easy for someone like me to make friends easily. But I'm telling you, 99% of my friends that are working one job, it's difficult to hang out. It's difficult to have anything hang out. We have to wait for a special occasion to see each other, to laugh and talk. You cannot just go and say you want to make friends, you are trying to be opening to be. White people don't even want to make friends with black people. It takes a lot. It takes months for them to even come close to you so that they can feel comfortable around you. And Nigerian guys, it's even difficult to make friends with your own Nigerian guy because you don't even know what type of person they are. Most of them don't even like you based on you may be doing well more than them. So that one self, you can't even know how to make friends with Nigeria. You have to be careful to even make friends with Nigeria. Telling you should go to mall. Which mall? If you go to mall, you are just going to end up buying what you don't need. You'll be spending money on what you don't need. And your family, friend, or someone back home need money for all those things. I have more than 10, 20 shoes. If I go to mall, I end up buying extra shoes. So why should I go to mall? And if I call my friends now that let's hang out now, let's hang out. 99% may be doing their morning shift. Me, I'm just finishing afternoon
You see
shift.
the limitations.
So making friends is very, very difficult. And that is why being here outside the country is really, really lonely. It's not something you think is. It's very lonely because you are most of the time at home after your work resting.
They're ready for
And
the
you have
next
to
shift.
plan ahead to see that friend you think you are making. You have to plan ahead. Call he or she. and she will tell you when she's free before you guys can even have time together.
Thank you, Sunday. Sunday, he does take
First of all,
for Finland.
I mean, now
professional
experience,
footballer.
and Finland,
Yeah.
and Finland, no
No,
matter.
you don't first say. I don't forget the country where
And
for
Finland are
most of
predominantly white country,
White
not be like
country.
Canada
Yeah,
and
they
America,
cold,
they get
yeah.
plenty black. Secondly, nobody force you to buy anything for the mall. You can go outside, see,
You'll
in the
call
shop
you
and walk
tea.
away. You know how many
You'll
times?
call
You know how many
you
times?
tea. I heard
You
it
know how many times I
talk.
enter mall for Maryland want to buy anything? Come outside.
But you get what
understand?
he talk. The
You
time
understand?
they always had.
But I don't tell you about Shola, my guy. Where be say, now
Which
they
one
they run-
Shola they do?
Shola they work for airline. And they book flight before they work for inside and what be this big mall where they for America there.
OC go know am.
No, that.
Right, yeah,
He got the big mall where they work for America. I'm telling you. You wanna,
It's not easy.
so
like
many
that,
times,
Godwin.
even so many times, even for years, like he get this guy with the US, David, where they work for American nuclear regulatory whatever.
Yeah.
See the kind of sensitive place where they work. You know how many times David, he got to talk to his colleagues when I go call, he got to talk say, these are my friends, my colleagues. They listen to Nigeria. If they even get time, they listen to us here. Now, people see situation different. If you get the skills and make the most, no, you go make friends if you
Hey
want.
boy, you go just if it take time.